just detangled my hair using water and comb. So to lock in the moisture, I'm gonna add some oils. I also have this oil here.
As you guys saw, I moisturized my hair while detangling and then added some oils to lock in the moisture. So when I do my cornrows, I like to part my hair into 2 equal parts from left to right. So as you can see, I am parting my hair and then clipping the other side. The front of my hair is way longer than the back of my hair. So I like to begin in the middle so that I can get equal parts from the back to the front. So as you can see, I'm parting my first portion of hair that I'm gonna cornrow. Since my hair is unrelaxed and natural, it's easy for it to combine with the other parts. So I like to clip it down so that it doesn't obstruct me when I begin to cornrow. So as you can see, I just clip it and then I comb the hair that I'm gonna cornrow. Combing through the hair, I vertically part the front of my hair, the thinnest hair I can get without taking away my edges. So I just take that part and then divide it into 3. So you're gonna need your thumb, your index finger, and your middle finger to do the cornrows. But for the beginning, you just part a portion of the front of the hair that you're about to cornrow, and then you divide it into 3, and then the one on your left goes into your left hand, the one on your right goes into your right hand. My middle finger and my thumb holds the hair in my right hand. I use my index finger to reach for the hair in my left hand and bring it to the back of the middle hair from the beginning, and then try to detangle again, and then use my left hand next to grab the hair in my right hand behind the middle hair. So it's kind of weaving the hair. So you grab the other hair from the other side of the head behind the middle hair. So just that motion. It's hard at the beginning, but practice makes progress. I learned this in 2 years, so it's not that easy. So be patient with yourself. In a while, you just get hand memory and it's easy for you to do it. So again, you vertically part the front of the hair, divide it into 3, give the one on the left to your the hand on the left, and give the hair on the right to the hair on your right, and with your middle index and thumb you hold the hair, and with your index finger you grab the hair on the other side of your head behind the middle hair. After you get the idea of grabbing the other side of the hair behind the middle hair, as you grab the hair from the other side while going behind the middle hair, you grab some of the hair at the back so that you can move forward to braid the hair. In that motion, you grab the other side of the hair from the back, take some hair from the back. So don't take bigger portions, because that will make the hair the cornrows look disproportionate. So you grab as little hair as you can so that the proportions are nice and beautiful, and you just detangle as you go. It's a closer look to how I'm braiding it. So as you can see, as I grab the hair, I move behind the middle hair, the hair that's at the middle presently, and move it, and then grabs the other side. So it's just like you're giving it to your other opponent, other hand, and then behind the hair you grab more hair as you go so that it braids the hair backwards. If you get what I'm saying. It's not easy, it's tough. You just have to practice. So as you go, you grab hair and grab the other side of the hair behind the hair that's at the middle presently. So that's what you do over and over again. So for a backwards view, at this point my hand knows the movements, but when you start out it won't be easy. So you just grab the other side of the hair behind the hair at the middle presently while grabbing more hair from the back so you can cornrow down. And when I reach downwards, I just braid way as I've been braiding, just over to the other side behind the hair at the middle, and then you can turn it and braid it as you're braiding a normal 3-way hair. So this is the same thing. It's good to watch it over and over again to actually master it if you've not done it before. So the same thing as I said before, you grab the other side of the hair behind the hair in the middle with your index finger while holding the hair presently in your hand with your thumb and your middle finger. You use the index finger to grab the other side while grabbing more hair from the back. It's not easy. You just have to do it over and over again to understand and know what to do as you go. First half of the hair braided. The way my arms were hurting at this point, but it's rewarding to braid it. Now we're going to the other side of the hair. I've parted again. I'm gonna comb through it to detangle it because it stayed for so long while I was parting the braiding the other side. It got tangled again, so I have to detangle it. So again, I part the front of the hair vertically to get a portion of the hair that I can start with, and then I comb through the hair to make it less tangled, and then divide that hair into 3 equal parts. Give the one nearest to my right hand, give the one nearest to my left hand, leaving the one in the middle bare. And then using my left hand, I grab the hair from my right hand behind the middle hair for a closer look. And then the one in the middle now comes into my right. And then I use my index finger from my right to grab the hair from the left. And now that hair becomes the middle. So the middle hair changes over time. So as I use my index finger to grab the one from my left, the one on my left now becomes the middle hair. And now I grab the one in my right from my right hand while grabbing some of the hair from the back, and that now becomes the middle hair. So the middle hair changes over time to weave it. if you get what I'm saying. Last tutorial, I promise. So for my last set of hair on my right side of the hair, I part the front of the hair, divide it into 3 again, grab the hair with my index, middle, and thumb, and with my index finger, I grab the hair from the other side of the hair of my head behind the middle hair again, and then I do that motion over and over again. So as you can see, I use my right hand, the index finger, to grab the hair I left behind the middle hair, and now the middle hair goes to my left hand. So the middle hair doesn't stay the same, it changes over and over again. As you grab hair from the other side, the middle hair goes to the side that you're grabbing the hair from, and then you grab some of the hair at the back as well. So now I'm all done. Hope you really learned how to do this hair. It's not easy. You have to do it over and over again if you've not done it. As I said in the beginning, I used 2 years to study to practice this and to get it down to a science. So it's not easy to get it. But thank you for watching. Bye.